Hey everyone! Welcome to the first module of your free performance marketing course, proudly brought to you by Growth Mandi. I'm thrilled to have you here as we begin exploring the exciting world of digital advertising where every rupee spent is measurable, trackable, and optimizable. Let's begin by understanding what performance marketing actually is. Performance marketing is a data-driven advertising approach where brands pay only when a specific action occurs, like a click, a lead, a sale, or an app install. Unlike traditional marketing, where you pay for impressions or airtime, performance marketing is focused on results and ROI. You'll often hear about key metrics like CPC, cost per click, CTR, click-through rate, CPM, cost per 1000 impressions, CPA, cost per acquisition, and ROAS, return on ad spend. Platforms like Google Ads, Meta Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and Amazon Ads are leading the way in this space. So how does it actually work? It starts with advertisers launching campaigns based on specific goals, like website traffic, lead generation, or sales. Platforms like Google or Meta then display these ads to relevant users based on behavior, interests, or search intent. When users interact with the ad, by clicking or making a purchase, that's when advertisers pay. And the beauty of it? You can analyze, test, and optimize everything in real time. It's all about continuous improvement. Now let's talk about where these campaigns run. Here are the top channels you'll be working with: Google Ads, perfect for search, display, YouTube, and shopping ads. Meta Ads, covering Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. LinkedIn Ads, ideal for B2B lead generation. Amazon Ads, the go-to for product sellers. Affiliate influencer marketing works on a partner or commission basis. Native ads such as Taboola and Outbrain, blending ads into content. Each platform offers unique targeting, bidding options, and ad formats. In future modules, we'll dive into how to set up campaigns on these platforms step by step. There are several types of paid ad campaigns that you'll be learning to master. Search ads appear when users are actively searching on Google. Display ads, banner or image ads across websites. Video ads, engaging video content on platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Shopping ads, showcasing your product listings directly on Google. Retargeting ads, re-engaging users who visited your site but didn't convert. Lead generation ads, capturing user information without sending them to a landing page. Each of these serves a unique purpose in the marketing funnel, from awareness to conversion. Now let's talk about the exciting part: career growth. Learning performance marketing opens doors to in-demand roles like PPC executive or paid ads specialist, performance marketing manager, media buyer, growth marketer, e-commerce marketing executive. Every company today, whether it's a startup or a global brand, is looking for people who can generate real results through ads. And that's exactly what this course prepares you for. Before we wrap up Module 1, here's something special for those of you who want to go beyond just learning. If you're serious about mastering performance marketing and actually working on real-world projects, then check out our advanced program, JIP, Job-Oriented Industrial Projects by Growth Mandi. With JIP, you'll get weekend live classes, weekly real project tasks, access to 15+ premium marketing tools, dual certification plus AI-generated resume, cover letter portfolio, career coaching, interview prep, and exclusive job updates. You can search JIP by Growth Mandi on Google to learn more or visit growthmandi.com. So don't just learn, implement, practice, and grow with JIP. Thanks for watching Module 8. In the next module, we'll dive deep into setting up Google Ads campaigns, so stay tuned and let's grow together.